Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bring back the old icons on iOS 26.3 update. So as you see that on the screen, my icons is changing, and that's for the updated version. So how you can go to the old icons and get your old icons on your iPhone, maybe iPad. So let's follow all the steps which I'm going to tell that in this video to change the icons of your iPhone. So just press the screen and you see the option of an edit. Just click on that, and here you just see the option of an customize. You just click on the customize and have to just select default. After just selecting the default, can bring back to the icons. So if you selecting the dark one, so you just have to just select again your default section. So when you just select the default section, your all icons gonna show on your screen, and that's looking good. So that's the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel for the more videos like that.